Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare CLA vs GLA Mercedes, which is better. Start by checking your priorities: style, cargo, or ride height. I walk through driving feel, interior space, fuel economy, and features so you can match a model to your lifestyle. I keep comparisons clear and practical, highlighting real differences in comfort and utility to help you choose confidently without jargon. I explain how each model drives and what to expect on daily roads and longer trips. You will hear about steering feel, suspension tuning, and how seating position affects visibility and comfort. I compare engine responsiveness and transmission behavior to highlight which car feels more eager or more composed. This helps you decide if you want a sportier sedan vibe or a confident crossover stance for varied. I cover interior space and daily usability so you know what fits in real life. Expect details on rear headroom, cargo capacity, and how seats fold for larger items. I mention convenience features like cup holders, storage bins, and roof rails that can change ownership satisfaction. I aim to make practicality comparisons tangible, so you can picture loading groceries, luggage, or gear, and decide which layout suits your routine.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.